Now see the next chapter, that is the mechanical properties of solids. See here in this chapter we will study the different properties of the solids. Now see here, first one in the solids, a large number of atoms are tightly packed in the given area or in the given volume, and there is a strong intermolecular or atomic forces between the atoms or the molecules. Because of these forces, all the atoms or molecules are bound together. Now, when you apply some external force which can change the length, volume or shape of the body, then this force is known as deforming force. So, see here, the first one is the deforming force. So, this is an external force applied on the body which can change the configuration of the body is known as deforming force. Now, the second property is here, that is the second terminology of this chapter is elasticity. So, this is the property of the body by virtue of which a body tends to regain its original configuration after removal of deforming force. It means when you apply deforming force, there is change in the configuration. As you remove the deforming force, the body regains its original configuration. So, this property of the body is known as elasticity. Now, see here, perfectly elastic bodies. There are certain bodies, for example, quartz, phosphor, bronze. On these bodies, if you apply deforming force and remove that force, the body regains 100% original configuration. So, these bodies are called perfectly elastic bodies. Actually, there is no perfectly elastic bodies, but these two bodies can be considered as perfectly elastic bodies. Now, see the next one, perfectly plastic bodies. Actually, plastic bodies are those bodies which do not regain their original configuration after removal of deforming force. So, see here, there are the certain examples like a putty, mud or paraffin wax. If you apply deforming force on these bodies and remove, then these bodies do not regain their original configuration. So, these bodies can be considered as perfectly plastic bodies.